Hey everybody, welcome to another video. Today I'll show you how to fold a classic. This is my Origami Pac-Man. I created this one myself using other models I found as a reference. This version is more realistic, and as always I've created my own method that makes everything much easier. To make an origami like this one, you'll need only a square piece of paper. I recommend using 15 by 15 centimeters, about 6 inches. And starting with the main color facing down, our first step is to fold it in half along both diagonals, making something like an X. To do this, just bring one corner to the other and reinforce very well. Unfold it and fold the opposite diagonal. Unfold it again. Now let's fold the paper in half, horizontally and vertically. First, let's fold the paper up and then to the left. Now that we have these lines, we can fold the corner to the middle and repeat with the other three. Just bring the top corner to the center and, as I said, repeat with the others. Once done, we can unfold. Now we need to fold the four corners again, but instead of folding to the middle, we're going to fold the corners to the lines we just made. Let's fold the top corner first. Then fold the paper again in the mark we made before. Repeat with the others. Once done, let's hold the paper in this position and turn it over. Let's fold the four corners here too. Let's start with the one on the top. And repeat on the other three. Now, again, let's hold the paper in this position and turn it over. Let's fold the corners again, starting at the top. Then repeat with the others. With that done, we can unfold these four corners, turn it over, and now unfold only the side corners. Turn it over again, and fold the paper in half. The next step is just to make the end easier. We'll need to create two small diagonals here. To do this, let's fold the paper like this, in the left side. Then the same on the right. Unfold the previous step and turn it over. Now let's close both sides using these lines here. Now in the middle part, we'll have to open the top layer, like this, and close the paper up, creating a rectangle. Same thing with the other side. Now we need to reinforce these two lines here. And let's close this part for now. With the paper in this position, we need to reverse just a little bit of the top corner. We can fold the extra paper inside. Try to repeat the same on the other side. Now, let's open the back again. To make the next step easier, let's fold a little of the paper on the right side. Then open the other side a bit. And then just place one side inside the other. Now we are going to use the small diagonal lines we made before. Just open the paper like this, push the inner part to the side, the small diagonals we made before make this step much easier. And now we also have this nicer detail in the back. Let's adjust it a little bit. And now just press the paper to bring the top and bottom together. And the mouth is moving. If you want, now we can add some more details like drawing an eye. But that's it. If you enjoyed this video, remember to click like and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.